The literal meaning of polymorphism is, one name, many forms. It is an important concept in object-oriented programming.
Okay, like cars are in many forms, sizes, shapes. So tell us about how C# supports polymorphism.
C# supports polymorphism through two concepts: method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is also known as static polymorphism or early binding. In method overloading, we can define more than one methods, which have the same name, but different signatures. For example, we can define a method with name, add. And then we can define another method with the same name, add. Both methods have same name, but different signatures. Suppose, the first method takes 2 arguments, and adds 2 numbers. The second method takes 3 arguments, and adds 3 numbers. When we say that the methods have same name, but different signatures, means methods can have different numbers of, or different types of arguments. Or it can have same number and types of arguments in different order.
Okay, but when we run the program, how do we know which method are we calling? All the methods have same name, right?
In static polymorphism, which overload of the method will be called, is decided at compile time. The compiler decides it, based on the signature of method.
Got it. And what is method overriding?
Method overriding is also known as dynamic polymorphism, or late binding. In this, we can override a method by defining a method with the same name and same signature, but it implement the functionality differently. A classic example of overriding is toString method. You can override this method to return a string, which best suits in the context of the method. The decision of which method is to be called is made at runtime in dynamic polymorphism. And sure, we are going to dive deep in these things, but later.